Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Begin by installing Binance Authenticator or Google Authenticator on your mobile device and open it to prepare for setup. On Binance, sign in and ensure you can receive email and SMS codes at your registered contacts. You will need those during binding. The Authenticator app generates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds, so be ready to enter it within that window. When Binance displays a 16-character backup key, write it down and store it offline for recovery. To bind the Authenticator, open Binance, navigate to Security, then Two-Factor Authentication and select Authenticator to begin the binding flow. The site will show a QR code and a 16-character key. Scan the QR with your Authenticator app or type that key manually into the app to create the Binance entry. After the app shows a 6-digit code, return to Binance and enter that code along with your account password and the email or SMS verification code to complete binding and activate 2FA. After binding, store the 16-character backup key offline in a secure place and never share it. This key lets you restore your Authenticator on a new phone without contacting support. If you lose your device and lack the key, use Binance's recovery process, which requires ID verification, your registered email or phone, and possibly withdrawal restrictions during review. To change devices, log in, go to Security to disable the current Authenticator, then rebind by scanning a new QR or entering the backup key and verifying with the required codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.